Coming up today on This Guy's Garage.
This qualifies as sleeper. Hey everybody, this is Sean from This Guy's Garage, and today we're talking about sleeper cars. Lots of talk here on YouTube about sleeper cars, but what is the true definition of sleeper cars? For this, the answer, I went to Urban Dictionary. And this is what Urban Dictionary has to say about sleeper cars. Sleeper, ordinary, stock-looking car that is anything but stock under the hood. Now, I haven't introduced you folks to the Cougar yet, but I would call the Cougar my sleeper. And let's see how many boxes we can check off with the old Cougar. Is it stock appearing? Check. High performance? Check. Is it modified with a supercharger or nitrous? Got boost? Yes. Two trunk release buttons. What? You didn't see that. Check, check. Does it avoid attention?
Take out the people
They're in the trash.
or you don't
Get no spending cash.
Well, it's the most inconspicuous vehicle I've ever owned in my life. It doesn't get a second look from anybody. Not Popo, not the man, not the police, nobody. Transmission. Check. Does it got race? Hellcat. It's a Hellcat's worst nightmare. Give a Corvette a hard time at a stoplight. This car will hurt feelings. Hence, drive junk, race junk, hurt feelings. Here we are, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. You can check out my Bonfire store. Get one of these lovely shirts of your own. It's the new logo tee. So check us out. Order it up. That's a great way to support the channel, and thank you for it.
Like and subscribe on YouTube channel for I Am Camper.
It's Caper.